Hello, I'm Charity Youngblood. This video is a preview of my workshop, How to Build Your AI Team with $0. In section 1 of the workshop, you'll determine what you actually want to do in your business. In section 2, you'll identify the core functions you need to grow and run your business. Then you'll create an AI team member to fill each core function. In section 3, you'll work with your AI team on a specific business goal in the areas of research, planning, marketing, or operations. By the end of the workshop, you'll have an AI team to support you so you don't have to build your business alone. If you'd like to bring this workshop to your community of women business owners, send me an email at hello@IamCharityYoungblood.com. Again, that's hello@IamCharityYoungblood.com.